Welcome, good evening everyone. Just an audio and visual check is my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Make sure to just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. I believe everyone would have already clicked on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. If you have not done it, make sure to click on the bell icon and turn on the click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So let's see tomorrow what is the expected plan when it comes to bank nifty. So I have three plans for the trade entry in terms of bank nifty, no plan for nifty for tomorrow's session. Okay, so first of all, for the past three trading session, like past two trading session, like last week Thursday and Friday, I was not available because of some personal work. So after that I'm continuing the trade entry which I share every day, one day before the market. So bank nifty future 5-minute time frame. Make sure if you want you can note down the level 37,370 to 37,460. I repeat the level bank nifty future 37,370 to 37,460. Very simple scenario I'm expecting. If price comes to this zone gets a rejection or price crossing the zone gets a rejection. At this rejection point, what is the candle type I require? Because I'm expecting a bearish trade, I required a bearish candle formation or a bearish rejection candle formation, which I am expecting it has to close clearly below 37,370 levels. What I will be doing below that or below this candle, whichever coming first, I will be entering my short side trade or a put option trade. Stop loss not exactly at the I, few points above the I, 15 to 20 points buffer in future, 8 to 10 points buffer in option. And if this candle range is more than 160, 170 plus points, I'll be avoiding because that will make the stop loss more and more bigger. So here what is my expected target, which I'm expecting if this trade entry comes into play. I'm expecting slight lower, smaller target like 130 to 150 points minimum in the future if this level comes into play for tomorrow's session. The level is 37,370 37,460. Moving on to the next plan in Bank Nifty, a slight uh, contradictory plan. Okay, when I use a word called contradictory plan means a bullish based plan. That is, let me tell you the level first. 37,030 to 36,940. If price comes to the zone gets a rejection, or price crossing below it gets a rejection, here I'll be looking for what type candle? Not a bullish candle. Here I'll be looking for a not bearish. Here I'll be looking for a bullish candle formation like this, or a bullish rejection candle. It has to clearly close above 37,030 levels. Entry is very simple. I'll be entering above this candle or above this candle. Stop loss few points below this, buffer 50 to 20 points in future, 8 to 10 points in option. And again, this candle rate should not be greater than 170 points. Here this trade is slight risky trade because today's market more controlled by the sellers. It's a slight risky trade, but here the expected target is 140 to 160 points minimum in the bank nifty future. Everything is bank nifty future, 5-minute time frame levels only. Moving on to the third and the last plan, this is a slight stronger bearish plan if the market makes a kind of a gap up opening. Market somewhere close 37,150. Let's assume it is making gap up opening or price shooting up morning. Let me tell you the levels 37,560 to 37,630 is the level. If price comes to the zone gets a rejection or crossing the zone gets a rejection, at this rejection point, I'll be looking for a simple candle, that is either a bearish formation candle or a bearish rejection candle. I'll be entering below this candle a put option trade or a short side trade, or below this candle, whichever candle comes first. Stop loss few points above this, 15 to 20 points buffer in future and 8 to 10 points buffer in option. Again, if the candle range is more than 170 plus points, I'll be avoiding because that will make the stop loss bigger. Here the expected target is slightly bigger. Here the expected target is 180 to 220 points. Minimum expected target at the Bank Nifty future levels. Let me quickly summarize the levels, all the three levels. The level 1 is 37,370 to 37,460. All the levels are Bank Nifty future level on a 5-minute time frame. Second level is slight a contradictory trade with a bullish based scenario. This trade is slight risky in terms of risk reward. The levels are 37,030 to 37,000 36,940. Again, it's a Bank Nifty future levels. At last, same Bank Nifty future levels, 36,560 to 36,630 is the level. This scenario will come into play. This is more stronger scenario which can take place if market makes a gap up opening or price shooting up. In that case, this will work fantastic with the bigger targets. Clear? So anyone, if anyone have any doubts, feel free to ask your questions in the live chat box. I will try to address your questions before completing this session. Let's see if anyone have any doubts. I believe everyone would have already clicked on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. If you have not done it, make sure to do it. There are almost 35 free learning videos which is available in this YouTube channel. Okay, no one have any questions? Okay, great, fantastic. So I will end this session right now. As I could see, there is no more question to be addressed. Thank you.